Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to group chat on KakaoTalk app. So guys, let's continue into your KakaoTalk app. Now go to chat and then tap on the chat icon beside the settings. And now tap on create. Tap on group chat. Now enter here your group chat name. And here you can also add a photo for a group chat if you want. And you can select your profile and you can also customize the settings from here. And after all this, just tap on done. And guys, as you can see here, you can successfully create a group chat. So guys, that's how you can create group chat on KakaoTalk app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.